Hey there, experiencing a lag with your Elgato Cam Link? Don't worry. This guide on how to fix delay with Elgato Cam Link will help you resolve those pesky delays so you can seamlessly capture and share your video content. Whether you're live streaming your favorite games or recording professional quality video, our step-by-step tips will ensure you're getting the most out of your Elgato Cam Link. Step 1. Check your USB connection. A common cause of delay with the Elgato Cam Link is an unstable USB connection. Start by ensuring your Cam Link is plugged into a USB 3.0 port, as this supports faster data transfer. Avoid USB hubs that might not provide sufficient power or bandwidth. If needed, try different ports on your PC to see if there's a noticeable improvement. Step 2. Update drivers and software. To maintain optimal performance, make sure that both your Elgato drivers and capture software are up to date. Visit the Elgato website to download and install the latest drivers. Additionally, check for updates for third-party programs you may use in conjunction, such as OBS Studio or XSplit. Updated software often includes fixes for common technical issues, including lag. Step 3. Adjust video settings. Sometimes a simple tweak in video settings can reduce delay. In your capture or streaming software, lower the resolution or frame rate settings to see if this alleviates any lag. High-definition video demands more processing power and bandwidth. Reducing these settings can lead to smoother performance without significant loss of quality. Step 4. Optimize your PC performance. Your computer's performance can significantly impact the Cam Link's effectiveness. Close unnecessary background programs and processes to free up RAM and CPU resources. Consider restarting your computer before a streaming session to clear any temporary issues. For best results, ensure your system meets or exceeds the recommended specifications for the Elgato Cam Link. Step 5. Network and bandwidth check. If you're streaming live, your internet connection can be a bottleneck. Test your network speed to confirm it's sufficient for live video streaming, which ideally should be above 5 megabytes for upload. If your connection is slow, consider upgrading your internet plan or using a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi to improve stability. Step 6. Experiment with latency settings. Some streaming software allows you to adjust the latency directly. Explore the settings for latency options such as real-time or direct monitoring. These may not eliminate all delay, but can minimize it. Testing different settings will help you find a balance that suits your specific setup and needs. And there you have it. 6 effective steps on how to fix delay with Elgato Cam Link. Whether you're a seasoned streamer or just starting, making these adjustments can dramatically improve your content quality by minimizing delays. Remember, resolving technical issues is part of the journey towards flawless streaming. Keep experimenting with your setup and stay informed with updates from Elgato to ensure you're always getting the best possible performance. Happy streaming.